It's now almost 15 years, more than that my book on departmental inquiries, concept, procedure, and practice, written in association with my advocate wife Sangeeta Goel, is doing very well across the country. Why this book is so famous from Schroff publishers and distributors? There is a reason behind it, because this is the only book which is covering certain very virgin areas which have not been touched earlier. Why this book was written by me? Because over a period of 30 years working as a HR head at different international airports, dealing with the disciplinary matters in the capacity of inquiry officer, presiding officer, and disciplinary authority, first appellate authority, all these roles I played, and I found that there was no book available which is covering all the aspects of departmental inquiry. We commonly say the domestic inquiry. And the reason is because there was no introduction of art of cross-examination. Though the departmental inquiries are different from normal inquiries because it is based on concept of preponderance of probability and principles of natural justice. In this book you will find the role and responsibility of inquiry officer, presiding officer, even defense assistant. And every chapter has got the latest court rulings of Supreme Court and High Court. The book has got enough material how to prepare a charge sheet, how to conduct an investigation and preliminary inquiry. And the most interesting part of this book is the role play. A model inquiry in the live situation has been created where you can find the role of each and everybody right from the beginning of investigation. And you can find, if you are a defense assistant, you find your role. If you are presiding officer, you find your role. If you are witness, find your role. If you are inquiry officer, find your role. If you are presiding officer, find your role. If you are disciplinary authority, find your role. If you are appellate authority, find your role. If you are reviewing authority, find your role. How to draft the charge sheet, how to draft the penalty order, how to file an appeal. All these aspects can be given in detail by me. And look at the chapters. I have also touched upon, or rather we have touched on go slow and absenteeism, how to deal with it, how to conduct an ex parte inquiry, what is the concept of abandonment. So all these things you will find in this book, and Schroff publishers and distributors have done a great job in marketing this book across the country. And they are the only, I tell you, I got 18 books with the leading publishers, but I must give credit to Mr. Sunil Shastri and his team in Schroff Publishers that they are such an honest, sincere people. Every year, without asking my statement or royalty comes and I get the money. Every year since last 15 years it is going. Now you will find sexual harassment, a chapter on this book, and you will find enough material. What are the various formats you should use for issuing notices and other things in this book. This is the unique book. You will find the expertise of my advocate wife from the Bombay High Court, and especially Mr. Ghera, G.R. Ghera is the management expert on the subject department. He has written the foreword of this book and recommended. This book has been recommended by the Vigilance Department of International Airports Authority of India and other public sectors, and it is being referred as a reference book across the country. It is quite an enlarged book, and you will find at all leading stores in the country, on Amazon, on Flipkart, everywhere. And I strongly advocate this book to be kept by all disciplinary authorities, all officers who are dealing with departmental inquiries, all officers who are involved in the process. Even if they are not involved, they must have the knowledge. You never know when you are called as a witness and what the various kind of witnesses. At least 10 to 15 kind of witnesses I have elaborated in this, and my wife jointly together made the efforts to see the court rulings of Supreme Court and High Court in this book. This is such a good book. Out of my all books, I say it is the leading star book because it is solving the purpose, and a very useful help book for the departments in giving justice to the employees who are affected delinquent employee. You will find role play, case studies, court rulings. Repeatedly I am reiterating that a very nice shape, the printing, quality of paper and the bounding, such in good shape, so that you can keep the book for 100 years in the library. It is a library edition. and it needs to be because it is a reference book. It cannot come in any other form. So, and question answers, you will find all the answers in this book. You will find various concepts. What is preponderance of probability? The book has been written with the value, let the 100 criminals be acquitted, not a single innocent be convicted. This is the maxim. And this is the basis of it. Because departmental inquiry does not mean it is a punitive action. It is a training. It is to train to make exemplary thing. Not necessarily conducting inquiry to punish the employee, to give him justice on the basis of principle of natural justice. And preponderance of probability. What is probability? It is not proved beyond doubt like criminal cases and all. So everybody must see that the value is let the 100 criminals be acquitted, not a single innocent be convicted. Thank you. Thank you very much.